Welcome guys to another math class. Please, if this is your first time, do well to subscribe, like and share. All right, so this is what we have for today, and we are going to simplify this. We have a question that says if x is equal to minus 7 and y equal to minus 3, we are to solve a x plus y divided by x minus y raised to power 2, b 2x raised to power 2 y plus y raised to power 2x, c 27x raised to power 2 divided by 12y raised to power 2. So let's start with a. All you need to do is to substitute minus 7 for x and substitute 3 for y in this equation, and then after that it will balance itself. So let's go with this. So where we see x, we are going to put minus 7. So here we have minus 7 plus, for y we have 3 divided by x again, minus 7, then this minus comes in, then x will have 3. All these raised to power 2. Okay, so minus 7 plus 3 will give us what? We just like saying we have minus 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. We have plus 3, 1 2 3. So this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. So it's remaining 1 2 3 4 minus 4. So we'll write our minus 4 here. So if this were minus, this one will cancel 1 2 3. You see that they are all minus. It will now be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this will now give us minus 10. Are you seeing it? So at this point, this will cancel this. Remember, we'll still have our square. So 4 raised to power 2 will give us what? Will give us 16. 10 raised to power 2 will give us 100. At this point, 4 can go into this. It will give us 4. 4 go into this will give us 25. So this becomes our final answer. You can see it's very simple, right? Let's go to the second one. So we'll do the same thing, substitute. So where we have x, put minus 7. Where you have y, put 3. So we have 2, okay, minus 7 raised to power 2 times 3. That is for this. Plus y, that is 3 raised to power 2 minus 7. Right? So at this point, let's solve this bracket. We now have 2 times minus 7 raised to power 2. This is just like saying minus 7 times minus 7. So this is indices. All right. This raised to power 2 tells you how many times you should multiply this number. If you want to learn about indices, check my video. I uploaded a video that teaches everything about indices. All right. So minus times minus will give us plus. 7 times 7 will give us 49. So at this point, we now have 49 here. It's now a positive 49. There is no longer minus here. So times 3 plus 3 squared will give us 9 times minus 7. So this is where we are. Now if you multiply these 3, you will have a 294. Right? So you minus these 2. When you multiply that, will give you 63. So you now subtract it. After subtraction, your final answer will be 231 as the final answer. Alright, so now let's move to the last one. We have 27. Let's substitute this. Where we have x. Where we have x, we have, where we have x, we have minus 7. Yes, where we have x, we have minus 7. So divided by 12, where we have y, we have 3. So let's break it down. So this raised to power base will give us the same thing we did here. The same thing we did here, we are going to have 49 here. Right? divided by 12 times 9. So I want to bring this under this. All right. So we now have 27 times 49 divided by 12 times 9. Okay. So 3 can go into this to give us 3. 3 can go into this, it will give us 3. This 3 can go into this, 1, go into this, 4. So we now have 49 divided by 4. You can leave the answer here. So this is improper fraction. You can also convert it to mixed fraction. But let's just leave it there for the sake of space. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.